Hi everyone, Scott with CyberScribe.org, and in this video I'm going to be talking about package management and group package management specifically with the Yum package manager. I'm on CentOS, so that's what we're using. If you were on Debian, you'd be using apt-get, but it should be pretty similar. So if you already have installed from the command line, you know it's pretty easy. Just yum install and then let's say httpd, Apache or something like that. Okay, but if you'll remember, when you were first installing the system, you had options of not just a single program, but you had options of groups of packages. For example, like the Office Suite or the Network Services server package or something like that. And those would install groups of packages instead of just the one. Well, you have that same stuff here on the command line. And how you can get to those and see what you have available to you is group list. So group, just put group in front of what your usual yum commands would be, and you're probably going to be getting these group things here. So let's see what's available. So I only have a couple installed groups, but there are a lot of available groups, a whole bunch. And what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the web server group. So if you wanted to, okay, that would be your command to install the web server. But the thing is, what if you don't, I mean, at this point you don't really know what packages you're installing. Yeah, it's a web server, but what specifically is being installed? So what you might want to do before you do the group installations here is just do group info, and then you can check and see what's available. Okay, so here you have three sets of packages. You have mandatory, default, and optional packages. Well, your mandatory packages are going to install. Your default packages are going to install. Your optional packages, not going to install. So let's just clarify and confirm that. Okay, so as you can see, it's only installing those default and mandatory packages. Let's just do a group list or group info again just to see. Okay, so we're going to take a look at Squid. Okay, so Squid's an optional package. Just keep that in your mind. Now, if we wanted these optional packages to be installed, what you have to do is you have to go into etc yum.conf. You have to add a line here. And the line that you're going to add is group packages, group package types. And default, mandatory, and optional. Okay, so with that optional keyword, you're going to be installing your optional packages there, and this is you have to add this line into etc/yum.conf. Okay, so we have the line added, and now let's just do a quick group info, go back to it, and see what should be added this time. Squid is an optional package, so that should show up when we go and do the group install this time. So let's do that and see if it shows up. And you see it's installing a couple more things, and you can see up at the top Squid is being installed. So this one, by adding that single line to yum.conf, you had your optional packages are now going to install when you do these group package installations. And that's all I had to show for you today, and I will see you in future videos.